Hey, welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. Today we're going to be pulling the fuse box out of a 99 Dodge Ram. No tail lights. And if you look, the tail light fuse is kind of melted. And I believe on these model trucks here was a common problem on them back in the late 90s. What I gotta do is get this fuse box out and go to the pull apart, pick apart, some kind of part, and get another fuse box and then wire it all back in. And then I gotta find the source of the problem, which on these I got a little black box that works the tail lights and blinker lights and all that, and it works through your headlight switch. So gotta drop that box out and see if I can't locate one of those, because if I try to order it, I know what the outcome of that's gonna be. So we gotta go and see if we can't find one on another truck to swap it out to be able to get these back working. But it's a job. The truck's dirty. It's a work truck. It don't belong to us. It belongs to a buddy of mine. It's a job. They'll move everything out of the way just to get to it. So I'm gonna have to come in from this side, and then I'll drop all the wiring harness out to one side, and then take a few of the little electronic boxes out. And then I should be able to get the fuse box dropped down enough to splice it in. And then when I cut the other one out of the other truck, I'll cut it a little bit longer. That way it'd be easier to wire it back into this. And these were some good trucks back in the day. They actually put Dodge back on the market with the new design on these trucks. But just letting you give y'all an update on what we're doing today. And if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell.